grass cutter now. A man or a spirit? Show yourself.
No.
Malichan. Thank you. How are you today?
I'm fine, Papa. Papa, you did not kill anything today again.
The gods are yet to favor me. No, I didn't kill. How is your mother? Don't tell me she's not getting better.
She's fine. She ate this afternoon. She even played with me.
Really?
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love.
I told you I'm fine, eh? It was just a slight cold, but I'm okay now.
You know, even though I went hunting, I couldn't rest. I kept thinking about you and your health all day.
My husband, maybe that's why you returned home empty-handed, because I can see you don't have any bushmeat with you.
Oh no, not that. I am still on my hunting route. I don't know why the gods have refused to favor me, why they have seized their blessings from me. Maybe it's something I did.
No, my husband. You didn't do anything wrong. It's just the season we are in. No hunter is making any catch right now. But not to worry. Everything will be fine.
Papa, it's not possible that all the animals in the bush went on exile.
No, my dear. Animals don't go on exile. Moreover, they are not at war with anyone. I'm starving. Now you take this into the house and get me food to eat.
Okay.
Nene. Come. Easy. Alright, lie down. Sorry, you.
Thank you. You must be very tired. Why don't you go in and rest?
I will. I hope you have eaten. You'll be fine. You go.
I know, I will.
Well, don't worry. Okay. Are you okay? You're sick again.
Nam, it's over.
It's over, my dear. Who made you up?
I did. How do I look?
By the gods, you look beautiful.
Nam, isn't Nam okay?
Yes, she's fine. She's fine, okay? You just go into the house. In no time, she'll come and make you food so you can eat. You go?
No, I have to go to the stream. Maybe when I return. Nam, are you sure Nam is okay?
She's okay. I'm with her, okay? Make sure you come back on time so you can eat. Are you sure you can go into the kitchen?
Not today.
Okay, then let me run around and see how to take you to the dibia. Inuko? Go. Well, let's get up. Let's try it. With your leg. Easy. Come. Hold me.
Nine. What is happening?
What happened?
Is it not that stupid goat?
What goat are you talking about?
There's no goat there.
By the gods, I can swear there was a goat right in front of me now. He was standing there before we fell on the ground.
Nine, I saw everything that happened. I didn't see any goat. It seems you are drunk this morning. You need to go back to sleep. Please don't hurt this beautiful woman.
I am drunk.
It's okay, let's go.
Sorry.
Bring your bag.
You have seen her. Do you think it's that serious?
Of course. You can see that it is serious. But it is not something I cannot handle.
Oh, thanks to the gods. So you can commence treatment immediately, eh? So it doesn't get worse.
You get me? You have not given me anything. And I don't work for nothing. I don't work for free.
Oh, that's true. That's why I came with the one I was owing you before. I don't want to have to owe you so much, so that you can commence. I can't find it too.
What? What is it that you cannot find?
I had some calories when I was coming here. Could it have fallen where I had the accident?
Aneke, I hope you are not trying to play a childish game.
No, not at all. Okay, Udoku, just go ahead with the treatment, okay? Let me rush and get your money now. I'll be back before you know it. Bigo. Alright, thank you.
Aneke, to your bicycle.
Don't worry about that.
not tell me he was going anywhere today. Anyway, let me go and continue fetching myself.
Finally again fall down smooth. I didn't bargain for all of this, eh? What do I do now? And this is not even enough to offset the previous debt I owed Dogu. Hey, God. Please, I beg of you, hold on to this. I know it's not enough.
It is not a matter of not being enough. It is nothing. Eh? Have you forgotten you were owing me previously? And this is not even enough to offset the previous debts.
I know, and that's why I'm begging you to hold on to this and commence treatment while I run around to complete the money.
I will not touch it. Go and complete it, then come back.
But you will keep tending to my wife, right?
Why should I? Why?
Udoku, my wife is dying, please.
Look, it seems you want to joke with the life of your wife.
No. Okay,
Eh?
let me go.
Gone so.
This is the amount you asked for.
Oh, thank you.
But please do well to bring it back with the previous one you borrowed.
I will. I promise you I will do that. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
You have proven to me you are a friend indeed.
It's all right.
The gods will continue to...
It's okay. Don't I see? Extend my regards to your wife. We'll be praying for her. She will soon be okay.
You see?
Okay?
Thank you.
It's all right.
Let me run along.
It's all right.
Thank you.
What is it that you are saying?
What I am trying to say is this. I hope he has not come back here for you to give him free treatment again.
How do you mean? Free treatment? Did anybody tell you that I do free service here?
That is exactly what you do. People come here, you treat them and let them go without giving you any reasonable amount of money. Especially Aneke. Now he has brought his wife here for you to give her another free treatment.
I don't understand what you are talking about.
Of course you will not understand what I'm talking about. You will not understand. Nai, I overheard him pleading with you to show some mercy. Your name is not Mercy. Afagabu Hobi Ebere. He must pay you this time before you lay hands on his sick wife. Why must you always be at the receiving end? Aneke, we all know, is a famous hunter in this land and beyond. What excuse does he have to owe you at the first place? And Nai, these people take you for granted and it's all your fault. It has to come to an end. This is the only business you have and you have to take it very serious. Ram no.
She'll be fine now. But she has to spend the night here. So you have to go home and take some rest.
Are you sure about that?
Why? I'm very sure. Just be strong. Have faith.
Okay then. My daughter must have been starving since morning. Let me rush to the house and see her. I'll be back later at night to check up on her.
That's all right. It's okay.
Thank you.
Is it not possible that they went to their farmland along Ikbank Road?
Akapugo is back. Akapugo. Is it that she's not back from the stream? It's been long she went. Akugo! She's back from the stream now. Where could she be? Apugo! 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 Sorry. Did you see Apugo, my daughter?
Yes. I saw her about an hour ago, walking towards that direction.
That way. Thank you.
Or did you not go hunting?
Apugo! 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 Akwam! Apugo!
is my daughter? Gods of our land, where is my daughter? I can't sleep in this house without my daughter. I have to go to her mother's place. I know it's risky, but I have to go.
Hold your peace. Hold your peace, my daughter. Hold your peace. Hold your peace.
She didn't come here.
Hey, I took my sick wife to Doku's house, and before...
Your wife? Sick again?
Yes, uncle. Her sickness degenerated today, and I had to rush her to Doku's house. And Akugo told me at that time she was going to the stream. And I've been back since noon. I haven't seen her. She's nowhere to be found.
Have you gone to her friends' houses?
I've gone there. They all told me she left around noon. I don't know what must have happened to my daughter.
Nothing has happened to her. She must have gone to her mother's place. Tomorrow morning, you go there and check her.
Hey, and Omunede is very far. Akugo does not frequent there.
And where do you think she must have gone to? She's still a child, but not too little to miss her way around this land. I say, calm your mind. Tomorrow morning, go to her mother's place and check. She must be there, safe and sound.
I just want to believe she's there. I want to believe that because if not that it's late, I would have gone there this night.
Mbao, the roads are dangerous at night. Go back home. Tomorrow morning, go and check her up in her mother's place. She is very safe. I think so.
Let me get home and check if she's back. No, don't worry. Huh? Where are you, Akugo? Hey. Where are you? Akugo, where are you? Where are you running to this morning? Please, did you by any chance see my daughter?
We are coming from a bank of forest where we went to fetch some firewood this morning. We saw some human blood. I'm sure a wild animal has killed human.
Human blood? No. Amade, I will not allow this. No! I have to go there myself. Hey, Ike, where did you find her?
Aneke, but that was a mistake. How could you have allowed your daughter into Ojoko forest? Do you know she almost died if I had not seen her at that time?
What?
She was attacked by a strange being.
Eh?
Thank God I went for a hunting by that time. If not, it would have been a different story altogether.
Are you okay? Are you sure? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. The gods be with you. I appreciate this. Thank you. Are you sure you're okay? How come? Well, let's go inside. Go in. Udoku. What's the fun like? Udoku, what is this? What is wrong with my wife? Eh?
Aneke, why did I not see you again last night? And I've been expecting you here since morning. What happened?
Udoku, you won't believe what happened to me last night.
What?
My daughter got missing. I was searching for her all over the village. It was only this morning that a good man from the village brought her home, saying he found her in the forest. She almost got attacked by a strange creature.
What? What was she doing in the forest?
I honestly do not know. What is wrong with my wife? Why are there rashes all over her body?
Well, her condition deteriorated last night. And I've been trying my best. But she is not responding to treatment. I'm afraid.
Don't talk like that, Udo. Do not talk like this. I beg you. You'll be fine, oh?
Nam. Isn't Nam okay?
Yes.
She's gonna be fine.
Yes, you'll be strong. You'll be fine, okay? You'll come back home so you can be with us. Nugo.
Aneke, be a man. She will be fine. I just believe it.
Divya, please, help my mother.
Dim, why are you not sleeping?
How can I sleep when you're in pains? How can I sleep when I do not know the kind of sickness that has befallen my wife?
Don't worry. I'll be fine. The gods will be merciful on me. I have wronged no human. Don't lose hope yet.
I am not losing hope. It's just that the temptations are too much for me. Too much.
I am so sorry. I didn't mean to bring all of this on you.
You don't have to be sorry. It's not your fault. Did you bring sickness upon yourself? It's not your fault at all. I just look up to the gods to come to my rescue.
But I want you to sleep. I want you to rest.
I will be fine. I will go back to sleep. You just go back to sleep and rest, okay?
Why don't you just sleep now?
I will be fine. Just rest.
Are you sure?
Fine. Okay. Hi. again. Aboma, what is it? Aboma.
Nem.
Aboma.
Nem.
Aboma, talk to me now. You were talking a while ago.
Nem.
Aboma.
Nem.
Udoku.
Nem.
Libya.
Nem.
Uda.
Nem. Divya! Divya, please come! Divya, please come! Nem, please wake up! Nem, please wake up now! Nem, please wake up!
Duka, things have been very terrible. Very terrible. The gods have refused to favor me in my hunting. There was nothing I didn't do to save her life. I did everything possible to the point of going to my enemies to ask for money to save my wife's life. All to no avail.
Uncle, you should have reached us.
What difference would it have made? At the end of the day, she didn't die for lack of money. Because I was able to raise the money from friends. And the Dibia tried his best. I just believe it's the way the gods wanted it.
Oh. Well, though I was not here, but I can swear you did your best to save her life. Because I know how much you loved my sister. I know how much you loved her.
This is indeed a very great loss, and I just hope and pray the gods give us the fortitude to bear this loss.
You see?
Uncle, what about my little princess? I don't think she can cope with her mother's absence. Maybe we can take her with us.
No. I want her around me. She's all I have now. Though she can come to her Ikune from time to time.
Nam. Okinikwa, what are you thinking?
I'm not thinking anything. I'm just receiving fresh air.
But the room is not hot.
I know. Now you go inside. I'll join you soon, okay?
I want us to go together.
Okay. Let's go.
Where are you going to this early?
I'm going to Uncle Forest to fetch firewood. The one we have at home is finished.
To Fiakwa? So you've not heard?
Heard what?
The Uncle Forest is not a dangerous zone.
Hello.
The other day, I and my sister went there to fetch firewood. Guess what we saw?
What?
Human bloods everywhere. Wild animals have taken there for their abode.
Hey, may the gods bless you.
You say?
May you find favor in your life.
You say?
If not you, I would have been killed in Manko Forest. But what are our hunters doing about it? Let them kill the wild animal.
If not the problem that Aneke is facing now, he's the only fearless man in this community that would have killed the wild animal.
What type of problem is he having?
The only one in this community I have not heard about the strange thing that before Aneke's wife, and she died.
Died? What happened to her?
I don't know. You better start going or you come back with me. I am leaving.
Let me go exit. Tell him wait for me. Wait. Hey, I found you.
I don't know how to thank you. I cannot thank you enough. You have really been of great help to me, and I thank you for that. Right from the moment my wife fell ill till she was buried, you have been of great assistance. Thank you very much.
What are friends for? Anike, I thank the gods that everything moved successfully, and you and your daughter are moving on well. Okay. Please, I want to beg you, try as much as you can, at least to pay me half of my money you owe me. And my goods are finished and I need to buy more. Please, try for me, at least in the next 2 market days, okay?
I will, thank you.
Good.
You have rendered so much assistance to me. It will be very bad of me not to reciprocate that, even though I don't know how the miracle will happen, but I will try my best not to disappoint you.
Thank you very much. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
It's all right.
As I'm talking to you now, I don't have anything in the house. There is nothing. All my debtors are on my neck. The worst part being that I can't even feed my daughter. I can't take care of her. The gods have abandoned me. They have turned their backs on me. I'm confused.
No, Uncle. Don't sound like that. Maybe it's just the season.
No, it is not. All my mates go into the forest and make good kills. But me, Aneke, the greatest hunter in Omunze, I have run out of favor. Why? I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know what I have done to the gods that they treat me this way.
No, Uncle, please. Don't put it upon yourself. Such is life. It is not always straight. Just take it as one of those moments that prepare you for a better future. Meanwhile, you have me and my brother. Our late parents left us with so many wealths, lands and cash crop. I thought you that you went through all this without letting us know. My late sister did not die because of lack of money, but the gods decided it was time to take her away. All the same, is okay. We will help you. We will help you clear up all the debts.
No, don't worry about that, please. I won't have you bother yourself over my issues. I am a man. I can take care of my problems.
Aneke, wait. Oh, we are part of this family. Allow us to help you.
I don't know. You can't come into my problem. I'm just telling you because I felt like I would take care of it. Don't worry.
Aneke, calm down. Your problems are our problems. Let's help you. How much is the money?
Ada, you're still here?
You don't expect me to go just like that and leave you people here. I mean, who will be doing the cooking and other things? I mean, I need to spend some days with you and my niece until you begin to get used to being alone without the help of a mother.
This is very thoughtful of you. You're so kind. Thank you very much.
Don't mention. Where are you going to?
I want to go check up on my friends and pay my debts. All thanks to you.
That's nothing. Don't mention. It's all good. By the time you'll be back, the food will be ready.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Where is Akwam? I haven't seen her.
Maybe she's playing with other kids out there.
Oh, okay. I'm glad she's actually becoming happy. I hope she keeps up with it. That way she makes it easier for me to forget the demise of my late wife.
Me too.
You know she's now my mother as well as my wife. Let me run along. Yeah? I'll see you when I get back.
All right.
Hi dear.
Good day, Auntie.
Good day, Wayoma. Please, I'm looking for Adanne.
Oh, she's inside. Should I go and call her?
Okay, don't worry. Let me meet her there.
Auntie, I like your hair. Oh.
Really? Like my hair?
Auntie, please don't fall.
sorry, your gift. Sorry. You like my hair? I like yours too. I know it.
You're very beautiful.
I know, that's why Inam calls me Akugo.
You're very funny. What did you say your name is again?
Akugo. And you, what is your name?
My name? What an interesting girl. Alright, my name is Ugoma.
We have Ugo in our names.
Yes, Ugo and Ugo.
Does that make us friends?
Of course. Friendship. I like you. Okay.
Oh, your name? No.
Thank you. I've been chatting with this amazing kid. Who is she?
She's my niece.
Eh?
Let me offer you.
Okay, please don't spoil her game. Let's follow this side.
Sorry.
So that's your niece, your late sister's daughter.
Yes, so her name is Akugo.
Yes, she told me. She's such an interesting girl. I like her.
Akugo is a girl loved by all. She's very intelligent and respectful.
Yes. You could see how she was asking me, Auntie, what's your name?
Oh, she did?
Yes.
This girl lucky.
Hey, Chai. Your late sister had such a lovely girl.
And death won't just allow her mother watch her grow. Because what should I offer you?
Anything.
Just mention it. Anything.
Anything.
Okay, I'm coming.
No, Papa. My friend.
Auntie, this your friend is very beautiful.
Beautiful, kwa? No, I don't think she's beautiful.
Auntie, don't tell me you cannot see it, so she's very beautiful.
But they don't mind her. She can see. She's just jealous of me.
You wish. Come on, you wish.
Come, take. Share with me.
No, it's all yours. Nam said that it's not good to share one's guest cooler.
But I'm your friend. I told you that earlier. Please share with me, my friend. Please.
Go ahead, take. She's your friend.
Come sit with me.
Your new friend. You go abandon me.
Okay.
Uncle, I can't believe you finished this food just now.
This food is delicious. You cook just like your sister. I never knew you were such a wonderful cook.
Uncle, please stop. You flatter me when you compare me with my sister. I know my sister. She was the best cook I've ever seen.
You cook exactly like her. Let me tell you something. Your husband will be a lucky man because he will go crazy with your cooking.
No, Ubi, leave me. You know how to make someone's head swell.
No.
Adam.
Look at this. My friend Auntie Goma gave it to me.
Auntie Goma? Who is she?
She's my friend. She came visiting earlier. They quickly became friends at first sight. She said she likes Akugo very much.
And you never told me you had a friend in my village.
I have Ugoma. Okay. I met her the period my sister and I used to visit you before you people became couple. Her mother hails from my village and she always frequented too. She's a very good and decent girl.
Okay, I see. And you already made friends with her? Okay, take back your crowns and go and keep them safe. Okay?
Okay.
Look.
Hi.
That's my girl. Ne, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Where have you been since?
Eh? That means you missed me.
Come and join me in my game.
Okay.
This is Unam. I'm sure you know him.
Good day, Mazi.
You're welcome, my dear. You must be the friend she always talks about.
Really?
Yes. I don't know how she got so attached to you.
Well, we like ourselves. And we have this common thing in our names. My name is Ugoma, and she's Akugo. Ugo and Ugo.
Oh, I see. Good.
Please, I'm here to see Adanne. Is she around?
No, Ada is not around. She went to her village to see her brother. But she promised to come back before evening, so I'm sure she should be on her way by now. You can wait for her.
No,
No, please wait for her. I have some moonlight folktales to tell you, and I'll tell you after we're done with the game.
So you are waiting, that's it. Okay, Omalicham, carry on with your game while I go to the farm and pick up something. I'll be back immediately. So what did you do to my daughter that got her this attached to you on your first visit?
Like I told you before, we just like ourselves. And the good thing I told you about.
Oh, yeah, you said that before.
Ugoma, Akugo. So it was easy.
You know, Ada had told me about you, but I really don't know you.
Okay. Dika Achebe's daughter from Obaha clan.
Dika Achebe. Who's Dika Achebe? Wait, no. Okeke's elder brother?
Yes. I grew up with my grandmother, so most people don't know me.
So Dika Achebe has a daughter this big?
Yes. Mazi, I heard you lost your wife recently.
Yes. Death took away the only precious woman in my life. Ever since then, I've not been able to get over it. I've not been myself. I am trying to cope and see how I can survive without her.
Mazi, please take heart. I believe the gods know what you're passing through and have plans for you. Do not be disheartened. The downfall of a man, they say, is not the end of his life. You just need to keep up the faith and believe for a better tomorrow. Once again, I'm sorry for the loss of your loved one.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You did not tell me sorry.
Oh, my friend. I'm sorry, yeah? Sorry.
Okay, since this is your first time of meeting me in my house, I have to run around and get you something. I'll be back.
Thank you, Mazi. Thank you.
Let me tell you the folktales that Mary used to tell me.
Yes.
There was this word that she told me that there was this husband that had a wife. Had 2 wives actually. He used to go and
Ada, you haven't gone to bed?
No. And you, what are you busy thinking about?
No, nothing. I'm good. Don't bother. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure it has nothing to do with the meeting you had with your uncle today? I heard he summoned you at his place.
Yes, he did.
Tell me, why did he summon you?
I don't just get it. That man is pestering my life. Imagine him trying to force me into getting another wife. I am happy the way I am. I don't know why people don't want to understand this.
Nakugo, your uncle is very right. Yes, you are the only surviving son of your late parents. And my sister was unable to give you a male child before she passed on. So you need to get yourself another woman to bear you children.
Ada, you amaze me.
Well, I have a suggestion.
What is it?
I suggest you consider my friend Ugoma. She's the right woman for you. She's a very good girl. And she's that type of woman you need for a support at this trial time of your life. She is everything every man craves for in a woman.
Adanne, you are advising me to marry your friend?
Yes, because I know she's the right woman for you. Ugoma is that type of woman that will not come to tear your family apart, but help you organize it and make it more of a home for you.
Kachifo.
I will advise him to take another woman. Someone that will take proper care of his child. You know, men, they are hardly at home. They don't know how to raise kids. Oh.
I already told him to listen to his uncle. Some uncles won't even care.
Exactly.
Nem, the truth is that I mentioned you to him.
I don't understand. You did what?
I'm telling you the truth. I told him about you. Ugo, Aneke is a good man. The daughter loves you so much. And you are my friend. So?
Hey, Ada, please. If this is a joke, end it now, immediately. Tapan manya. You want me, Ugoma? Hey, I cannot be a second wife to anybody. Mban.
Ugo, you are going too far. The wife my sister is late. There is no second wife in this issue. Ugoma, are we quarreling?
Yes, we are. Why will you mention me to him without discussing with me first? In fact, I'm leaving.
Ugo, no. Ugo, come back. Ugo!
Maybe Ada was playing with you to see how you would react.
I know Ada very well. She was not playing with it.
Even if she's serious, I think it's because of your closeness to her family.
And then the little girl. You just told me about her some days ago. So I don't see anything wrong with it. It's just a matter of choice. That the man's uncle wants him to get married. And Ada suggested you. Why is that a problem? Or don't you like the man?
Ekede, you are the worst person to tell anything. You can continue with the food.
Akadima. Ada, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is she not Akugo?
She's Akugo.
Umalicha unwa.
Because where is Goma?
She's still sleeping.
Because go and tell her that I'm here with Akugo. Wake her up.
Please, I don't have Ugoma's strength. She doesn't like it when you wake her up in between her sleep.
Hey! I can't believe Ugoma is still sleeping. Go and wake Ugoma up. I will go there and wake her up myself.
Auntie, don't worry. Let me go and wake her up. She will not be angry.
Okay. I'm waiting. Ugoma. Your mates are returning from the farm and you are still here sleeping. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ada, please. I don't want to trouble this morning.
Auntie Ugoma, is it true that you and my auntie are fighting?
Don't mind her. She's lying.
Auntie Ugoma, I cooked jollof rice for you.
Are you serious? Okay, tell me. Did you prepare the jollof rice yourself or your auntie here prepared it? Say the truth.
I prepared it myself.
Okay, let me ask you again. Did you prepare the jollof rice specially for me or for everybody?
For you.
Really? Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. It's not easy to cook for a friend.
Akugo, please can you tell Ekedema here to mind her business? Please.
Remove your mouth. Hey, let's go.
Well, this boy, Mbian, my best friend.
You know, I'm just waking up. Let me take my bath. I'm coming. Just go. I will join you.
What are you still waiting for? Go and eat your jollof rice. And stuff for me.
I want to wait for you.
Akugo. She says she's coming to the house. Okay, you just wait behind. When she's coming, you people will come together. Oh, let me run along. One. Okay. Let me talk. Later. All right.
Okay, let me go inside and take my bath. I'm coming.
Papa, I'm back. And I came back with my friend.
That's good. So where did you find your friend?
I went to her house this morning.
I see.
Mazi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you. Where is Ada?
Ada went out. She went out.
She went out?
Yes.
Oh, she came to my house this morning with her Akugo and she said she'll be waiting for us here.
Hey. In that case, maybe she branched off somewhere else. But can't you wait for her?
Yes, she waits. I have something for her.
Yes, she has something for me.
You and this your friend. Anyway, you can stay and wait. Let me go and see my uncle. I'll be back soon.
See, I can wipe my waist.
It's a lie. You can't do it.
Me?
Yes, you. But I can do it better than you. I can do it better than you. Where you come?
If you can do it better, why don't you stand up and do it? At least I did my own.
Okay, watch me.
Yeah?
Watch me. See? See?
Hey! Look at these two friends. Are we doing shaking competition? Why haven't you given your friend the food?
Auntie Ada, I didn't see you when we came back.
That has not answered my question.
You, where are you coming back from? You told us you'd be here waiting for us. Where did you go?
I went to see Ogechukwu.
Auntie Ada, please, can you go and bring the food?
Are you serious? Is it not your food? Please, go and bring the food.
Listen, Akugo, if you don't want to give me the food you promised me, I'll go.
Please don't go. Let me go and bring it.
I can't wait to taste our food. I'm telling you.
Aneke, I asked to see you in respect of our last discussion. How far have you gone? Have you found the woman?
Uncle, you are really going to put a rope to my neck if I don't get married again.
Hey, Machakwa.
Anyway, my sister-in-law Ada suggested a maiden to me, though I'm yet to talk with her.
Ezeoku?
Yes.
If your sister-in-law introduced the maiden to you, that means she knows her very well. Who could that be? Do I know her?
You might know her. Her name is Ugoma, daughter of Mazi DK of Obaha village.
Ugoma? Your sister-in-law's friend?
Exactly.
She's a very good girl, and she's from a good lineage. Good. See her. That maiden is exactly what you need. Like I said before, she's a very nice girl, and the best behaved of all the maidens in this land. Wow. But my question is, do you really love her? Do you love her?
No, she's my baby. What's that? Let her not get used to this.
Leave her for me.
Don't worry. You have me
She's
now.
jealous.
And look at you. You're smiling. Enjoyment.
Where are you all going at this time?
Uncle, we want to see Ugoma off. She says she wants to get something at Ore Market.
Ugoma, isn't it too early to go to Ore Market?
The truth is that if I don't go now, I might not see what to buy. Don't worry, I will come back tomorrow.
I'm going to follow you until you go to the market.
Did you not hear her say she will come back tomorrow?
I will sleep with her. I will come back tomorrow.
Ugoma, what have you given to my daughter? She doesn't even care about me anymore.
I didn't give her anything. Akugo, don't worry, Ori is far. Like I promised, I'll come tomorrow and see you. Now tell me, what will I buy for you?
Akara Dioko.
Isigidi kakara Dioko ebawa.
Don't mind her, I'll buy Akara Dioko for you.
Ada, please take Akugo back to the house while I see Ugoma off. She's now my friend, isn't she?
Of course.
Adani.
Ugoma, Uncle, please see her off very well.
Definitely.
One, let's go.
I really don't understand.
You don't understand that you have eaten deep into my daughter's heart. You don't understand that you have become part of my family. You don't understand that I love you so much. I know I was married before, and I lost her. I want you to come and be a good mother to Akugo, Mom. And I promise you this day, I will do everything within my powers to take care of you.
I want to rush to the Ori Market.
Excuse me. say anything?
She said she was running late for the market and hurried off. I don't know. I just hope the gods touch her heart.
Don't worry, she will agree. For the fact she loves her Kuku, I know she will agree.
I hope so. Meanwhile, I'm hungry. Please get me food.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Ugomma. Ugomma. What are you thinking?
Thinking me? No, I'm not thinking. Why do you ask?
I'm no more a child. And I know it when something is bothering you. My advice to you is to make a decision. That man is still young. And from what I've seen, you've become part of that family. If you like him, marry him. If not for anything, at least for the sake of that young girl that took her time to prepare jollof rice for you.
My sister, you don't understand.
But I do. Aneke is the most outstanding hunter we know. Maybe you don't know him because you're not always here with us. But I do. If Papa is alive today, he will advise you to marry him. So think about it. I won't even give you a bad advice.
Where's your cook? Inside out. Okay. Ada, where is she? She's not inside. What? Where has she gone to? Okay, maybe she's at the back. Follow me. Okay.
Kam karagi inine. Owa mo kan karagi
inine.
Mmiri zoro waraga n'eluigwe
Inine.
Mmiri zo wawa kọnwa n'eti
Inine.
Ewo nne nwando inine. Ewo nne nwando inine. Owa mo kan.
But you said that Kugo is not feeling very fine.
Hell! Hey! Who said that one? I'm very fine, as you can see. Asugova, please come and help us pick.
Ada, please take Akugo into the hut. I want to have a word with Ugomma.
Ada, why did you do this? Do you know I almost fell down when I was running down to this place? Sorry. Thank the gods you did not fall. Fine, Oma.
I'll see you soon, okay? Sorry, I was the one who tricked you into coming. Because I want us to conclude our discussion, so I will know when to come and see your Omunna.
What are we concluding?
Ugo, stop pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. Stop acting strange. Please accept my proposal. Oh, no.
I need to discuss it with my friend Ada.
I am the one making the proposal, not Ada.
Ne, because no. Because no.
Let me see Ada, my friend.
Good news. You are the daughter of your father. Thank you, Uncle. Kwemlaka. In fact, if I was still in your age bracket, I would go for her. Sometimes I just wonder how cruel life can be to some people. How? The way Dike died in this community. He was a very good man. Sometimes in the community meetings, he will stand up and talk to the Igwe anyhow he likes, especially when they are not doing the right thing. Serious? Who doesn't know Dike in this community? He was a very good man. Your age mates know him when he was weak. Anyway, that's by the way. In 2 market days, get ready. We are going to pay her bride price. Because another man who saw her too. I'm not the only person.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you.
Well, you see, the truth is that I like Ugoma. Yes, I like her, and I believe she will make a good wife.
And that was the reason I tried my possible best to make her agree.
You did what?
Am I not the one that initiated the movement?
And I finished it. You only talked to her to come. Wait for Ziku.
Okay, Okay.
It's okay. See, both of you tried. Both the initiator and
executor.
And the finisher.
Me! Hey.
So, in 2 market days, we are going to bring Ugoma
Nemona
in this house. Yes, I will be the very person to carry the keg of palm wine. See, tell those your kingsmen not to near that keg. Yes, that will be my work.
Carrying
the
no problem. Igebuya. And the mango, you won't test it. Madivika.
Nam is about to marry my friend. Let the marriage be a good one. The gods and the water spirits, please let it be a fruitful one. I beg of you.
I like to know the Sydney. I'm just for the Sydney. Adam, hope you like the food. Sticky.
Let me put oil for you.
So the story, one woman, she could not give birth, so she went to this place and she adopted a child, and she stayed there for 2 months so that it would be like she gave birth there. And then she now went home, and then she was now like, oh, this is my baby. And then the husband believed her.
If me, I won't believe her. I have to be there.
Don't worry, so desperate.
I swear.
Mother and daughter. This one you are discussing, I hope this food does not suffer for it.
No, you're back.
Yes.
Did you catch any meat today?
Of course I did.
Gary, you're welcome. We are talking about the food. Does it matter if it tastes awful? You must eat it.
You lie. If it tastes awful, I will not eat it.
Nam, you must eat it all. Just pray that it tastes good.
It is you who should pray it tastes good.
My husband, don't worry. I'm making a very delicious meal for you. Trust me, your daughter can attest to that.
Exactly, Inam. You know, I will make sure that your stomach is well fed.
I trust you, my daughter. Anyway, I want to go into the hut and drop the gun.
Okay. Yes. Akugo is coming to fetch you bathing water.
Oh, good. I'll be waiting. I go for no bikini.
Hey,
What are you doing in the water all alone? Akugo.
where are you coming from?
No, Mother. I just went for a stroll.
To Ijeke River. What did you go there to do? Olachi told me that she saw you there.
Olachi? But I did not see her.
So, where is the water you fetched?
I didn't go there to fetch water.
Then what took you there?
Nothing, I just went to relax.
Anyway, go to the kitchen and take care of the food I have on fire. Let me go to Mama Olachi's house. I'll be back soon. Be here sleeping while the food I asked you to look after is here burning.
No, sorry, let me bring it down. It's already down.
Of course it is. But everything has completely burnt. What is wrong with you, Akuko? Eh? What is wrong with you? A child like you, how could you sleep off just like that?
Then I don't have any problem. It's just that I was tired and I slept off. And I just apologized.
You just apologized? Eh? You just apologized?
sitting here for? Am I not talking to a human being? What are you doing here? You are shaking your head. If that pot breaks, I will skin you alive. Hey! You're welcome. Your food is ready. Do you want to eat now before you go again or after the next one? That my husband is... Akugo! 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 Oh, you are sleeping. Come out here! Come out here, you fool! Akugo! You are sleeping again today. You are sleeping and left my food to burn. What is wrong with you, this girl? Are you pregnant?
Oh, the food. Is it burnt?
You're asking me questions. You're asking me question. You bought the food that my husband, your father, will eat tonight. Annoying. Foolish girl.
Leave me alone.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Don't talk to me. I hate you.
Akugo. But I already said I'm sorry.
See, you regret hitting me today.
Does it mean that Akugo has not eaten anything till now? Yeah, I guess she's still angry with me. Akugo, wake up.
What is it? What?
I had a terrible dream. A terrible dream.
A dream?
Yes.
What happened in the dream? What?
I'm going blind. I'm going blind.
What are you talking about?
I can't see. I'm going blind.
What are you talking about? Goma, look at me. What are you saying?
I've gone blind. I've gone blind.
Goma!
I can't see you. I can't see. It was so mysterious. Like, I suddenly lost my sight for some while.
But you're okay now, right? Akugo! 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 What's wrong with our daughter?
Okay. I'm sorry to say this, but we don't know Akugo as we claim to. She's evil.
What?
She's evil.
Coming into this family, I'll make your life so miserable. This, I promise you.
The other day when I told you that Akugo is evil, you never said anything. That girl is not who we see her as. She's not. She is evil.
Now you listen to me, Goma. This is not the first time, but let this be the last time you will say any such thing about my daughter. Do you understand me?
Nkem, you don't believe me.
I have warned you. Desist from speaking about my daughter in that manner, because I won't take it lightly with you.
Ewa.
Where's Akugo? Is she not eating?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you mean you don't know?
It means I don't know. I don't care if she has eaten or not. All I know is that I don't have any food for her.
Bye bye.
What is it? What is it? Why are you crying? Akugo, you can talk to me. Why are you crying? Where is Ugo and your father? Akugo, are you not going to talk to me?
Just leave me alone.
This is not you. What is the problem?
Leave me alone.
You can talk to me. It's me, Ada. Talk to me, oh?
Leave me alone.
Akwa Ugo. Akwa Nwa.
Ugoma, can you please explain to me the meaning of this attitude of yours? Ugoma, I am talking to you.
Could you please allow me eat? If you don't want to eat, allow me to eat. I'm hungry. Or do you want me to leave the food for you? Huh?
Aneke, Ugoma, what is wrong with Akugo?
No, Ada. No. Tell me this is a joke.
I am very serious. I just witnessed it with my eyes today. In fact, if you see Akugo, you will not recognize her again.
No. No, not Akugo. Amadiaha will punish anybody that wants to make life uncomfortable for my brother's granddaughter. Never. I will not live to allow that person succeed. Never. Not in my life. Never.
So, who do you think is actually behind this? Ugoma or who?
From what she told me, she said just because she fell asleep and the pot of soup on fire got burnt. That was why Ugoma beat her up. And even when her father came back, he could not say anything about that.
But you, Why didn't you bring her along with you? Didn't you know she's a small girl? Why must she touch her in the first place?
Uncle, relax, eh? It's not late. Tomorrow morning I am going to that house to see things myself. Yes.
Okay. But woe betide them if what I've just heard is true. Oh, they will know what I'm made of. Anyways, okay.
Nayonoche, calm down. Please calm down, I will explain.
Explain what? Anika, what have you got to explain? I have seen my brother's granddaughter. She has lost so much weight. Now, how do you explain that?
It is not what you think. How can I maltreat my own daughter? What reason do I have to do that?
I should be asking you that. Anike, why are you maltreating your own daughter badly? Who is that person that is corrupting your mind against her? Tell me.
You're taking this too far.
Anike, he's not taking anything too far. Go ahead and answer the question. I'm sorry to say that I'm disappointed at you. Akugo is the daughter of the woman you loved so much. Now that she's no more, the only way you deem best to pay her back is by maltreating the only child she left behind.
Doka, please stop.
No, he won't stop, Aneke. Akugo is too young for such maltreatment. Or have you suddenly forgotten she's your own flesh and blood?
Wait though. You people don't know Akugo. You don't know that girl. I'm telling you that she is evil.
What?
Akugo is evil. Just because I scolded her like a good mother would do to a daughter. She swore to deal with me. That night, she attacked me.
I see what?
Who was it?
It was here. I saw it. It was here.
Ugoma, you okay?
What did you see?
I saw it. It was here.
You saw what? Where?
My sister, even Ada is now seeing me as a bad person who has come to tear father and daughter apart.
You mean this thing started the day you scolded her?
Yes. Did I do wrong by beating her up? Is she not like my own daughter?
You didn't do anything wrong. But my advice to you is to call Akugo. Tell her you don't hate her. Apologize to her. Just talk to her like a mother.
Ike, you don't understand. I have done that. She doesn't even greet me anymore. She doesn't talk to me. You don't understand.
Just relax, my sister. I will talk to her when I see her.
Ugoma.
Nkem, you're welcome.
Thank you. Are you cooking alone? Where is Akugo?
I'm sure you're not expecting me to prepare my meal with that Wanjige who is bent on destroying my life. No way. Don't know what she's up to this time around.
Ugoma, what is wrong with you? What is your problem? What is the reason for this recent attitude of yours towards that girl?
Please, I want to be left alone. She almost killed me and it happened in your very presence. You saw it.
I did not see it. I only saw you pointing at a direction nobody was. I didn't see anything.
What are you trying to say? That I'm putting this all up to create an empty impression? A girl that spends most of her time at Ijeke River. Tell me, what is a kid like that looking for at Ijeke River alone? She's an Obanje. But I know you will not believe me because she's your daughter. You would think I'm making this all up to create an empty impression, to corrupt your mind against her.
That is exactly what it is. I do not think so. I know so. And I warn you. Change the way you treat her before it turns into something else.
Hey, he thinks I'm making this up. No problem. No problem. I'll leave this house for you so that you can live with your daughter happily. I'll leave this house for you since you don't want to believe me. I'll leave. You almost killed me. You don't want to believe me. I will leave this house for you.
Please stop sulking, stop crying, Nico. Stop wasting those tears and stay back.
Aleke, nothing will stop me from getting to my father's house today. You don't believe me. I want to go. I'll leave you and your daughter to enjoy your home.
No, don't talk like this. I've told you I will look into this. I will get to the root of it, Bikono. Inugo.
Aleke, you don't believe me. You called me a liar. You don't know what I've been passing through in this house these days. Aleke, I'm suffering. You don't understand. I'm suffering.
Please, like I told you before, Ne, I will look into it. I will get to the root of it and I will find out what is happening in this house. Oh? Yeah, let's go
I'm suffering. You have to do something. I'm suffering. You have to do something.
My wife almost left my house. I know what it took me to convince her to stay back. It wasn't an easy fight.
But why would she bring up such strange allegations against your daughter? My son, I am sorry, but I have to tell you this. Women are very unpredictable. That woman might have something up her sleeves. But be very careful before she initiates some serious problems into your family.
Uncle, the truth is, I initially thought she was making this all up to create unnecessary uneasiness around the house. But recent events have proven her right.
What are you talking about? Right about what?
Everything doesn't seem to be right with my daughter, Akugo. She visits the Jeke River at odd hours, and whenever she comes back, she behaves strangely. I don't know why I haven't noticed this all this while. I'm afraid Ugoma might be right. What?
Huh? Yes. What kind of a man is Aneke? Eh? How could he have suddenly turned against his own daughter simply because of what another woman said? Eh? I think Aneke is no longer in his right senses. Yes! Ugoma must have used something on him. Remember, her late grandfather was a Dibia. That family is diabolically inclined.
But Ugoma is different. I think something is wrong somewhere. I don't know, I'm just confused.
I'm regretting all this now. Eh? Ada, I think you couldn't have advised him to marry Ugoma in the first place. Eh? I'm regretting all this now.
Did I know? I thought I know the real her. Ezoku, I'm blaming myself for all this. And to even think her great-grandfather was a Dibia.
Knowing how or not knowing how, Dibia or no Dibia, not to the detriment of my brother's granddaughter. Never. I can never allow anything happen to that girl for any reason. Ugoma or whatever you call her. If she thinks she's diabolic, I will teach her she's a small child in that field. Tell her to take care of my brother's granddaughter. Warn her.
Who are you talking with? And don't tell me it's nobody because I heard you loud and clear.
Nam, I've been alone, and as you can see, I'm alone.
I don't think so. Now get into your hut.
Nkem, you're not sleeping. Are you alright? Nkem, please talk to me. What is bothering you?
I think you're right about Akugo. Everything doesn't seem right with her. She's acting strange and I'm afraid.
I said it, but no one believed me. Good a thing you've seen it yourself. You said I was trying to...
Please stop. Don't raise that topic anymore. I'm trying to think about what to do. I think she's possessed or something.
No doubt about that. She's possessed. Just because I scolded her like a mother would do to her beloved daughter, she turned her wrath against me.
Why are you staring at me like that? Is this your first time of seeing me in this village?
But it's with your eyes that you see me.
Listen. You should know the people you look at. I am bigger than you and your Obanje. Did you hear that? Stupid Obanje girl.
The road for you, so why are you staring at us?
Hey, you this almighty Obanje girl that wants to kill her stepmother, let me warn you. If you try me in this village, I will kill you in the name of all the deity in this village. Why is she staring at us like that?
I said go. Go! Obanje, stay away from us. You better go and do for your fellow Obanjes and leave us alone.
I'm not an Obanje.
I said go! I said you are. Your stepmother said you are. Go.
Akugo, why are you crying? Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Is it not that Ugoma? She has been going around the village telling everybody that I'm possessed. Now the villagers isolate me. They'll be calling me Obanje everywhere I go.
So, you should blame it on yourself, not me.
Is that all you have to say? No problem. We shall see.
Nkem, did you hear that? She's threatening me. Nkem, she's threatening my life. You.
Don't worry, you will see.
Nkem, I told you that this girl is an Obanje. I told you that she's an Obanje. Okay, if anything happens to me, in this house. Oh, okay.
Yay. Ha!
Quick!
Abugo! Come here. Why are you wicked? Why are you bent on tormenting your stepmother? Do you think I'll ever forgive you if anything happens to her?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I will slap that evil spirit out of you if you pretend you don't know what I'm talking about.
What do you think you want to do, Aniki? Eh? What is it? Stop accusing this innocent girl. What is that, sir?
Ada, shut up! She knows what she's doing!
She knows nothing! It is your foolishness that is all over you.
What?
Hold it. I will not have you come into my house to insult my husband. Mba, tell her, that's not again.
How dare you talk to my sister in that manner? Have you lost it?
And what will you do? I'm asking you, Doka. What will you do?
Mua.
Yes. Ugomba, tell her. Is it my brother you're talking to like that? Yes! He's the one I'm talking to. Obisinabo. And look at you. You're not ashamed of yourself. You think you're getting any younger? You're an old woman. Go and marry. I'm in my husband's house. Go and marry! Marry Ada. Face your own family. Stop coming here to insult me and my husband because of this your sister's witch of a daughter.
Slap her again! Slap her very well! You are here!
You tell her to slap my wife? Of course, in my compound? Yes, slap her! Come here to fight me? And what will you have come here to fight me? What will you do? Wait for me.
Don't try me! If you try me, I will kill you and bury you right in this compound! You would have stayed back! Come back here! Why are you running? I thought you came to find me my compound!
Yes! Come back! Come back!
Where is that evil girl? Aneke, shut up! You were here! Aneke! Aneke, open this door! Aneke, open this door! Aneke! Aneke! Open this door! Aneke!
What was that? Destroy my family? I won't let you!
Wait a minute! You have your daughter.
Serves her right.
Aneke, look at her eyes.
I regret giving birth to you.
Aneke! Hey! Did you hear her? Did you hear that? Namwai. Namwai.
Witch!
Aneke! Let me come back. Hold yourself, please. It's for your own good. Okay? Huh? It's alright. It's okay. Don't.
Akugo!
It's okay.
Chimo!
What is this?
Chalo!
No! No! Aneke did this to her? No, this is wickedness.
Very unfortunate. It seems she's going to lose one of her eyes.
No, that's not possible! She's not losing any eye! No!
Makagiri!
That's not possible!
The hand will take time to heal because it's broken.
Hey! No!
They don't miss it for some reason.
Have you seen what your sister did to my niece? Just look at what she did to her. I was the one that initiated her marriage to my in-law. Tell me, what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit? Just look at what they have done to a girl her mother died and left lonely. Just they go there.
You mean Aneke and Goma did this to this girl?
I did it myself.
This will not end like this. Your sister and her husband will explain to Agbara the meaning of Ogbanji. All the Alusi in this community will come into this issue. See. One of her eyes is damaged. Who knows if she will ever see with it again.
The gods of our land will not allow that teaching.
You say, but...
Ada, Ugoma is your friend. Aneke is your in-law. Please, let's take this issue calmly and find out the truth. I can't believe this is happening. I've told my sister to be sure of what she's saying. I can't believe Ugoma and Akugo is doing this. But the gods of our land will not allow anybody behind this to go free.
It's your sister who is behind it. Just look at what they did to a girl. Her mother died and left lonely. What does she know? We all Well, I blame that. I blame that and killed my sister. If she was alive, tell me who will call her innocent child an Obanji. Okay,
Ada, wipe your tears. Even if she's an Ogbanji, is it not human beings that are sometimes possessed with the water spirits?
Oh.
But I know that Ugoma hates Akugo and wants to throw her out. Because if Akugo is her daughter, she will never treat her like this. I will get to the root of this. Simple.
Please, I'm sorry. Akugo, I'm very sorry.
You are shivering, right? You are shivering.
Why should I shiver?
Oh, you have no reason to shiver. That means you feel no remorse for what you did to that little innocent girl. Fine. I will make you feel exactly the same way she felt that day.
Eh? Don't touch me, oh!
Don't touch me! You idiot! Fool! I will deal with... You had the gun to lay your feet to hit that gun! You're pregnant! You're pregnant! You are pregnant! Will you beat her again? Are you shivering now? Are you shivering? I'm pregnant! I will deal with you.
Ugoma! 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 Ugoma, who did this to you? Ugoma!
She'll be alright. She just had a knockout.
Are you sure she's still alive?
Of course. She's alive. You can see her breathing. She'll be alright.
I just hope this is not what I'm suspecting. Because if it is... Aneke.
Udoka, what did I hear you say? Are you insane or something? You beat up Ugoma and her unborn child. Eh?
Uncle, I'm regretting the whole thing. Yes, the point is not that I beat her. The point is that she's still alive. Chineke, yes.
Can you hear yourself? Yeah, Udoka, you better be thankful to the gods that she did not die and hope nothing has happened to her unborn child. Otherwise, I doubt if you'll be standing here spitting that nonsense.
Uncle, I'm surprised at these things you're saying. Yes, I'm surprised you're sounding like this. Why are you blaming me? Ada, why is Uncle blaming me?
I'm surprised too.
Did you see what she and her husband did to Akugo?
Uncle, exactly. She deserved whatever Udoka did to her.
Oh, keep quiet you. Killing her, will that solve the problem?
It's me.
It will only aggravate things. You people should be thankful. And let this be the last time such madness will ever happen.
Uncle, and that should also be the last time they will treat her in that manner. Yeah, she's not a one that they beat anyhow.
Udoka.
Oh, now.
Ada.
Goma! Okay. You dream again?
Yes. This time around, it's worse. She almost strangled me to death.
Did you see Akugo's face?
Not really. But I'm sure she's the one. I'm sure.
Since her face was not made visible to you, how can you prove she's the one?
I know Akugo very well. I can recognize her no matter the form she appears in.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
This doesn't make any meaning to me.
Something is wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
Amadara merege sigarega mega memo. Ezagbara merege sigarega mega memo. Amadara merege sigarega mega memo. Can you get me any of her clothes? Now, go and get me a plantain leaf. Your daughter, she is not an Ogbanje. She has nothing whatsoever to do with the water spirits. I did not see anything wrong in this compound. I only see a visitor tormenting the wrong person.
A visitor tormenting the wrong person?
Yes. Go and get me your hunting gun. I saw you hunting. You shot somebody. A little girl that went to fetch firewood. Oh, an innocent girl.
I can't remember any such incident. Is that the reason for what's happening with my wife?
Think first. Maybe you will remember.
was a long time ago. Before I even got married to my first wife. You are right. Could she be behind everything happening in this compound?
Yes. She had to wait till your daughter has come of age, so you can bear the pains of killing someone's daughter. That little girl you killed, almost decayed, till her parents found her. All this you are experiencing is because her spirit is not at rest.
What do I do? Please tell us, what do we do now? Because already my daughter has been accused wrongly and I have inflicted so much injury on her.
You have to find her parents and render sincere apology to them. What you committed was a very sinful act. I just pray they forgive you.
From what you did one day, you can't run away.
Ajurika, the great seer of our time, the only Dibia who has seen what was covered with a mortar. Ajurika, the only Dibia whose father gave the offer, until this day, the offer had been leading you. Ajurika, I greet you.
I greet you too, Ichie Onochie.
I was actually going to your shrine.
My shrine? I hope all is well.
It's my granddaughter. She's been accused of being an Obanji. Please, can you follow me to the house? I want to be sure if she's one or not. Please. Your grandchild? My brother's daughter's child. The one who lost her mother a few years ago.
Oh. You mean the one that is married to Ichie for the late brother's son?
Yes.
Go back home.
Why?
I was just coming back from there. Yes. It was the father that breaks the rotten egg that is smelling in his household. Yes. The little girl he killed has come to revenge.
What?
So go back home and rest.
So, my granddaughter is not an Obanji. Hey!
In that case, we have to locate the girl's parents and ask for their forgiveness if they will.
That is the problem, Uncle. I don't even know this girl. I don't know her parents or anything about her. I just found out I had shot her in the bush. I went closer and noticed she was dead. Then I took to my heels. Ever since then, I've not set my feet in that forest again.
But you still remember the forest?
Yes, that was Ibanezi Forest. It belongs to Umuezinolo community.
Good. In that case, we have to go to Umuezinolo and ask questions about a little girl that was shot in the forest of Ibanezi some years back.
But Uncle, I can't still believe I'm responsible for everything happening in my household.
Okay, fine. I always tell you to look before you leap, but you wouldn't listen. Just calm down.
Uncle, so Aneke is actually the cause of all this. That is what the Dibia told me.
Hey! I said it! I said it that Akugo is innocent. Hey! Now that she's in pain, what they will say to her is just sorry, Okuya.
Hey.
I wanted to take her with me, but her father refused. I see I saw all this coming. And look what they did to that innocent girl.
Aneke.
What are you doing here? What are you both doing here? Will you leave now? Leave! Iche! Udoka! Please come.
What do you want here? Did you miss your way or something?
Ichi, I don't know where to start.
Don't start from anywhere. You have no explanation whatsoever to make.
Nam, look at my broken hand. My other eye is paining me. What did I do to you? What did I do? Azugoma, you accuse me of being an Obanje. Upon how close I was to you. Remember, I cooked jollof rice for you. And I even gave you my meat. And I never knew you hated me this much.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm sorry, please.
Madam, Akugo, I am your father and I understand how you feel. Please forgive us. I promise you a thing like this will never happen again.
Please, it's right.
Oh?
I'm sorry, please. Forgive me.
Where are they? Oh, you have the audacity to come into my compound? I don't stay here. I will stay here. Wait for me. Oh, okay. Come and explain your head and your nose. How? Uncle, I am after Ugoma. I am after for doing this to this little girl. I am after both of them. I will sacrifice their heads. I will cut them into pieces. Ugoma, you. It's all right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, stop crying. You'll be fine. Oh, don't cry again. Don't look at yourself.
How is she?
She's getting better.
From what you did one day, you can't run away.
Yao, this.
We're looking for the home of a girl who was killed in the forest a few years ago. We know it's this village, but we don't know the exact place.
The one I know is if anyone that died when fetching firewood and managed this forest.
Yes, that's the person.
Okay, the first building by your right, House of Okereke's house.
On this road?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
From what you did one day, you can't run away. If only Melunesoya, from what you did one day, you can't run away.
That your husband killed a girl in the bush, and it was the spirit of the girl that is doing all of this, and not even Akugo.
My sister, that is the truth. The Ezemo was here himself, and he opened up on how everything happened.
But why is the spirit not even attacking Aneke?
Oh, that is what I've been thinking about ever since this was revealed. My sister, I'm having the thought that is the same spirit that killed his first wife.
Why do you think so?
Because he was not yet married before the thing happened.
You know.
They will never.
Day one.
Young lady.
Day one.
Who are you?
I am the chief for the. And this is Aneke, my nephew. Please, we're looking for Mazo Kereke. Are we in the right place?
Yes. This is Mazo Kereke's house.
Please, we want to see him.
Okay. Sit down, let me call him. Papa? Papa?
I am Ichio Fodide. And this is Aneke, my nephew.
Okay.
We come to seek for something very important. If only you can give us audience.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
As a matter of fact, what we have to see might be very hard for you to bear.
What are you saying? You are speaking in parable.
You had a daughter that was shot in the forest of Ipanezi some years back.
Yes. Yeah, so many years ago, somebody shot my daughter and ran away. For 3 days, I looked for her. And finally, I found her decayed body in the bush.
I'm at your head! Ah! Who is at home?
Papa, what is it? Why are you shouting?
One of these people killed Ifeyiwa. For so many years, you did not come to my house. Now you are in my house. What for? Why are you here? Tell me, why are you here?
Who among you shot my sister? Who killed my sister?
I'm sorry, I did.
Mazokereke, please calm down. Please. Remember what I told you when we first came in here. Truly, this is an old wound, but we can always handle it. Please. Biko.
There is no point. There is no point. My daughter have started revenge, and that is why you are here. My daughter is with a weapon to go after who killed her. Now, leave my house before I do something terrible, and I am serious about it.
Get out from our house! Get out! Get out! Get out from my house!
Where are they?
Get out!
Ah! You killed my daughter, and you are here in my house. To do what? It's all right.
Anyway, I will tell Ada to plait your hair for you.
Did you see your father and your auntie the other day they came here?
Yes, Grandpa.
And you noticed that your auntie was crying?
Grandpa, I saw her crying, but she's the cause of all this. My father beat me because of her.
You saw what I did to them?
You brought out your gun and you chased them away.
Nne, you have to forgive your father and your auntie. See, we went to Ezemo,
and he said that you are not an Ogbanje.
And that your auntie is not an Ogbanje too.
Now, we have found out what the problem is. And your father is doing everything possible to solve the problem.
It's alright, Nne. It's alright. It's alright. Stop crying. It's alright.
Your eye will soon heal. And your arm is almost healed too. Now take it gently, gently. It's alright. Gently. Please.
You have to forgive your father. And forgive your auntie too. Will you? Please.
Aneke, I will go back there myself. There's nobody who don't react the same way Okereke did. We are talking about a human being. I will go and apologize to him. You don't have any business coming with me because the sight of you might get me irritated.
Uncle, your idea is fine. Thank you very much. Please help me apologize to him. Tell him I shot his daughter in error. It wasn't my intention to kill his child.
I will. Just relax. I will talk to him the way he will understand.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Papa, you have to forgive him. This thing happened a few years ago.
And the person that ran away has finally come to see the family. You just have to forgive him, Papa. Please. Beg of you.
If not that I gave Ifeyiwa something to go after whoever killed her, that boy will have come here to confess. Anyway, I'm going to invite Umuna into this issue. He has to tell me why he has to kill my daughter.
No, Papa. You have to leave the Umuna out of this.
Since Ifeyiwa died, how many Umuna have come to ask you how to do her burial rites? My sister was buried like a fowl. See, Papa, what I'm saying is this. Whenever they come again, tell them that the person they killed has not been properly buried. Let them bring money. Let's do small burial and you will call the dibia and remove whatever you put in that coffee. So that everybody will rest in peace and my sister will rest in peace too. Papa, please.
I must tell you, it is wrong when people refuse to do things the right way. I am aware that your nephew must have shot my daughter mistakenly. Ifeyinwa's death broke my heart and that of her mother. In fact, her mother died of the shock. Mazagoke, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. The deed has been done. What is the way forward?
Well, my daughter equally spoke to me about this issue.
She's not at home now. I sent her on an errand and she will soon be back. But I must tell you, Ifeyinwa has not been buried properly. I mean in terms of burial rights. So if we must talk about it, I mean it's going to be on that angle. Yes, I understand you. If it is on that angle, we are ready to do it very, very well. All we ask for is for every one of us to bury the hatchet.
Okay. I am going to discuss with my Omuna, and whatever conclusion we arrive at, I will let you know.
That's very good. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Greetings to you. I greet you.
Sure. You're welcome. What's the problem?
There's no problem, Ichionochi. We are here to tender our sincere apology to your entire household. Ask on Ibu Niwe, Ilimakisi. To err is human, and to forgive divine. Please let this family come together in peace once again.
So, Ugomma, my niece is not an Obanje finally. Ada, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please answer my question first.
Ada, let's leave this issue. Everything should be in the past.
Please. Akugum, Wanyoma, my best friend. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. You are my best friend. My sister from another mother. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I didn't know what I was doing. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please.
No. Look at my hand. Will it be fine again? I forgive everybody.
grow up in Nigeria.